Hello friends, it's Jana. Today I am just showing you a couple of my Lithops and favorite cacti that are here on this table right now. First, I'm gonna show you these Lithops that my kids have. They don't really have to take care of this much because it doesn't need much watering. It just grows and they go happy. Well, this one actually here is not so happy. It kinda looks so wrinkly and soft, but I am just hoping it will survive. It is winter here and our weather here in Florida changes a lot. It gets too much humidity sometimes, and then cold one day and then very hot the next day, so very unpredictable. But they are happy right now, so I am just glad that they are thriving. So I'm gonna update you few months from now if they're still okay, because right now they're doing fine. Now here are the other Lithops that I have. This one's in the middle here. These are actually looking different than the rest of the other Lithops right here. This is kind of common, but this one is different looking to me, so I don't know what that is. So if you friends know, please let me know. And also this one is, I think it's similar to the others but a little bit bigger with the baby in the middle. And this one is also my another favorite cactus because it is so cute. And this is the pickle cactus and it has a baby growing as well. So cute, I love them. So hopefully they will thrive here in my garden because I love them, and especially my children because these are their little collections. So I'm just taking a video on what they have, and also I am enjoying this because they are happy right now and I am keeping them alive so far. So hopefully they will stay alive, but I'm just worried about this one, so hopefully it'll be okay. But you guys, you do not need to water them so much, so just leave them alone and they will grow. So I don't know, that's what I did so far with mine, so they are growing so far. Now I am showing you the other one here, which is the cacti that I have. So not really know much of the name on this, but my baby picked out this one because that look like a bunny, doesn't it? The bunny ear cactus here, it does look like a bunny sideways, and he just have to have that, and he said it is his cactus. So that is my baby's cactus because it looked like a bunny. Yes, it is. So that's his. And this one, it actually bloomed the other day and it was pink. That is so pretty. And here's another one. I believe that's the domino cactus, and this is one of a mammillaria, but I don't know about this one. This little hairy thing, is that the old man cactus? I don't know what it's called, friends, but it looks so cute. So I just cannot put them together here because they are so cute on these little pots. Alright friends, here are the 3 pots that I just showed you earlier. I am hoping for them to survive this winter because it'll be a year on this one since I have them, so we'll see how they grow. And this is the new ones that I currently have so far, so we'll see how they will grow this winter, and I will update you soon in spring to see if they are gonna survive our Florida winter, which is really unpredictable weather. By the way friends, this is where I placed my Lithops, in this glass shelving that I have here in my patio. My patio is covered, but they do get a little bit of a rain mist because when it rains and it's windy, it does get that little mist going in here. But they are happy in this area here since they get that morning sun and really not so much of a bright light or heat that gets them, so only morning sunlight, and they're happy with it. So if you have that area in your home, it is the best place for them. By the way friends, this is also another bud that is coming out on this cactus. Pretty exciting. I cannot wait to see this beautiful flower that is pink in color. Well friends, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I will update you more soon. Happy planting. Bye bye.